or for Twitter.
Final question here about the trading of our shares. And there's a few questions here related to, can you comment, Adam, on the very high level of failures to deliver in AMC securities?
Yeah, I can, sort of. I mean, there's a limit to what I'm supposed to say on this subject. But I can say some things. I know it's maddening to so many of our shareholders. I read my Twitter feed, guys. I know what you think. I know what you say, because I get thousands of messages a day. And since, for those of you who didn't send Elon Musk his $8 a month for a blue check mark, since you're limited to a couple hundred characters, you can read a tweet pretty fast. I know you're really frustrated by the high number of FTDs. And as many of you, not all of you know, but as many of you know, an FTD is a failure to deliver a share within the normal trading closing cycle, which is within two business days of the trade. And so, if someone never delivers a share, they're breaking the law. But if they deliver the share 3 days late, one day late, which is on the third day, they show up as an FTD in your eyes, but the trade did consummate. A little slow, but it consummated. If more than 0.5% of our trading volume is in an FTD status, then we go on something called the threshold list. And we've been on and off the threshold list many times in 2023, and for that matter, in 2022 as well. And this drives some of you out of your minds, because I read what you say, and I say out of your minds in a nice way. I don't mean it in a nasty way, but you're angry about it because you think there's something wrong going on. And again, I've got to be very careful what I say legally, but I can tell you this. On multiple occasions, even multiple occasions this year, we have gone to the New York Stock Exchange at very high levels to make them aware of our status on the threshold list. And similarly, we've gone to FINRA, which is the regulatory body of the public markets, and we are voicing your concerns. And unfortunately, I know many of you would like to see the results of what they send us back. It's not so easy for us to share that information with you. But we're aware of the concerns, we're aware of them ourselves, and we are taking them to the appropriate regulatory bodies.